Yeah, it's good the four of us. I think Witty can introduce why we came here.
Yeah, we are law students from across the country, all the 11 schools of law in this country. I'm the president, Kevin Moiti, of the Law Student Society of Kenya. We are coming to challenge the pre-bar examination, which has been introduced to us in bad faith, without consultation, maliciously, and simplistically. And we are not going to condone any nonsense from the Council of Legal Education, from PLO Lumumba, the Kenya School of Law CEO, and any other party who has connived to make us be disadvantaged in one or the other. The challenges being faced by the legal education in Kenya must be addressed in other ways, but not introducing something which is ill-conceived, which is ill-informed. Therefore, the Council of Legal Education, we caution them to stick to their role of regulating quality standards and not regulating numbers. That is not their work. The Council of Legal Education Act is very clear. To the others, the Council of Kenya School of Law Director PLO Lumumba, when he has to do any notice to mount any examination or administer any examination, it has to be done reasonably. What we've seen here today, 30th September is not reasonable to any student. It can only be 30th September. But again, we are challenging even the constitutionality of that pre-bar examination in its entirety. Yeah, I have here with my team student leaders from all schools of law, and I believe they're going to introduce themselves and also give a brief of why we're here.
We have seen your documents, eh? So many stories. How many are you? How many of you are affected? I think only that is enough.
The students who are affected?
Yes.
We are the students who are affected, about 3,000 students. Yeah.
That's enough.
We intend to join the Advocates Training Program in January. Yeah. Any other question on the same? Yes. Yeah.
Ladies first.
My name is Eboso Christabel Medeva. I am the current chair of the Kenya Law Student Society, which is pretty much an affiliate. It's the body that brings together the law schools in the country. Though as per now it's the University of Nairobi that heads the society. The society has been there since 1970. And of course we are here with Witty, together with the other student leaders from the law schools, and we are asking the Kenya School of Law, together with CLE, that it's not that we do not want the pre-bar exams, but what we do not want is the madness behind the pre-bar exams. If at all they must accredit schools. You know, they've been coming out and saying that universities are churning out half-baked lawyers. And you know, for them bringing the exams, that's pretty much the argument, that they want to cut out the half-baked lawyers. For them, they should start at the university level. You cannot make a law student go through a 4-year program. Then when they're almost finishing, you know, you cut them down using an examination. And you know, this is exactly the same government that is championing for youths being employed. You cutting down these youths, it's like, you know, they no longer have, they will no longer be, you know, they will no longer be any helpful to the society by you cutting them down after they've gone through 4 years of vigorous education. So for us, we are here telling PLO together with CLE and Kenya School of Law that we shall not do those examinations. We are not going to do them.
Yes.
We urge all the students not to pay.
Thank you very much. I'm Babu Owino, Son Chairman, and also President. I would like to talk about issues about Kenya School of Law. One, about the issue of pre-bar exams. Kenya School of Law is misusing and abusing the inherent and inalienable rights of comrades across the nation. Yes. The pre-bar exams will not be done. We don't want them to put them off. We will not do them. Yes. And if they insist that we do them, we will close Kenya School of Law.
Yes.
A comrade undergoes a degree program for 4 years.
Yes.
Only to go and do a diploma course to determine whether this comrade is a true lawyer or not. All this, we are going to deal with them bumbulously. As comrades. Once a regular student pays around 100,000 school fees for a 4-year degree course. How comes the same regular student or any other student is going to pay 200,000 Kenya shillings for a diploma course? A degree course is 100,000. A diploma course is 200,000. Does this make sense? So the conduct and becoming of PLO Lumumba must be multiplied by 0. Comrades, power! Comrades, Ria! We are waiting for the decision from the court, and we are going to give a way forward. We are going to give ultimatums, and we will march to Kenya School of Law. What we will do there will be better imagined than experienced. Comrades, power! Comrades, Ria! Thank you.